Hi everyone and welcome back. So now in this video, we'll see how we can draw a facet plot using Plotly to analyze our Gapminder data now. Alright, so let me get some new code blocks, and now here we are going to plot this our GDP per capita and life expectancy, and on the we'll see for all these different continents we'll plot a different graph. Okay, so how we are going to do that? We'll write px dot scatter. So we want it to be scatter plot, and here we are going to give this Gapminder data. So Gapminder data, and here we'll give our x equals to, we want it to be GDP per capita, so we'll give per cap, and on y-axis we want it to be our life expectancy, so life exp, and after that what I want is, I want this plot, so we will have all this plot, and here on this side of the plot, on first graph we'll have one continent, on the other graph we'll have the other continent. So we want this for different continent. Now different graphs for different continent. So here I have given, I'll add this color equals to, and let's add this as continent. Okay, so continent, yeah, so we have added this continent, and we will add this size of, so we are going to add this as bubble plot. So we'll give size as pop, and if you don't want to add this, you can remove that. So size equals to pop, and now I'll give max, size max equals to 60. So we have this maximum size, that is 60, and here the hover name, so we had added the hover name equals to, and here we'll give this as country. So this is our hover name, and after this hover name we'll give this facet column, so it will plot this. So here we'll give facet column equals to the continent, so we'll just give continent. Alright, now what it will do is, instead of just plotting it on the single graph, it will create a multiple column graph. Okay, so you have one column, two column, three column based on the number of continents that we have. So let me just change this, I have misspelled it, and this is our continent. Now here you will see that here we have got this continent Asia. So this is our Asia, and we have GDP per capita, and we have this life expectancy. Now you have got this multiple graphs for all these countries. So if you want to hide something, you can hide this Oceania. So there are very less country in this Oceania, and you can see that their GDP per cap is high, and their life expectancy is minimum is almost your 69, and the maximum is your 81, right? You have this United States, here we have the Europe, and you can see all these countries, right? But here if you see this scale, it is starting from -50. So we can change this scale, we can give it to, set this to log or some other scale. So we need to change this scale of our x-axis. So here I have just copied that, and I'm going to just paste it, and here we'll just give log of x. So log of x equals to, we'll give it as true. Let's run this now, and here we have changed this, given a log, so log cannot take a negative value, right? So log cannot be negative. So now we have 100, 1000, 10k, then we have 100k, and these are the country that you have. Here we have this Israel, you have China, Myanmar, Nepal, you have all these countries, right? These are Asian country, you have the European continent, and here you have Switzerland. These are African continents, and there you can see that their GDP per cap is less, and also life expectancy is less as well, and their population is comparatively less as well, right? Here you have this America, and you have Canada, United States, you have continent, Oceania, and all. Alright, so here we have drawn this facet plot. Now in our next video, we'll be drawing the animation plot. We'll see how we can add the animation to our graph. For example, let's say we want to see the GDP per capita and the life expectancy over the years in different continent. So we will add a animation there to which is going to show us year by year how this life expectancy and GDP per capita is changing for all this continent or country. So I'll see you there.
I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you have liked our content, please do hit like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content and exciting updates. If you want to learn such practical content at an affordable cost with Microsoft certification and instructor support, please register at academy.codegnan.com. You can also download app from Play Store as Codegnan. Never hesitate to raise queries in the comment section, and please do reply with your suggestions for more practical videos. We'll be happy to come up with it. Thank you.